Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the procedure entry point could not be located in the dynamic link library, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Dynamic link library basically means DLL files. So search for Microsoft C++ redistributable in your browser and go to the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable page. And then go to the x64 version. Click on open, click on repair and repair it. Okay, now once this is sorted out, once you can also perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.